Most YouTubers think they need a $500 studio light to look professional. But you know, if you buy the wrong light for your space, then it's like you're just throwing money away. Today, I'm putting the ring light, the LED light, and the studio COB light head to head. I will show you the cost, the look, and help you decide which one to buy. We're going to be starting with the LED light, also known as the LED light. This is what it looks like. And let me place it down so that you can see what it looks like on my face. This light costs as low as $100, even lesser than that. And this is what it looks like. What do you think? Next, we have the popular ring light. A ring light recently should cost not less than maybe $50 or even lesser than that. This light gave me so much joy when I was editing it, because I was like, what? Wait, I already gave up for this light, but looking at it while I was editing, it was really giving the glow. Look at the glow. Like, I'm going to pick up this light again because I already abandoned it. What do you guys think? Lastly, we have the studio light, and this is how I use it without the softbox or anything. What do you guys think? This light costs as most like $200 and above, or even below. Just check. And I bought a softbox with it, but I hardly use it anymore. I just love it the way it is. What do you guys think? So, which one wins? We are starting and need something easy, the ring lights. If you have a small space, then LED lights. But if you want to go into a pro level channel, then go for the studio COB lights. Okay? Pro tips. Remember that my $2 professional lighting hack? You can actually use that with any of these lights to make it even look better. Okay? Which of these lights will you be buying? Let me know in the comment section. Buying gear is an instrument in your business. If you're ready to turn this visual into a career, then check out 9 digital skills that pays more than 9 to 5. That video is already up on my channel. You can check it out. This will help you know more skills, digital skills that you need in this age and time. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. My next video is going to blow your mind. Until then,